Okay, bagambe the 1 million hole inside PLE. Dilemma. Analysis of the annual primary living examination, PLE, results for pupils who joined Prime 1 in 2018, 2017, 2016, and 2014 put the completion rate at 40%, 40.7%, with an average of 1 million learners dropping out each cycle. Oh, abana million number but dropping out. Buli cycle eyo buli wanda abatandika 2018 bagenda okumalako P7 nga million ewanduse bagenda abatandika 2017 abatandika 2016 abatandika 2014 bagenda okumalako nga million number eritale bagamba kiva kuki kibobya omutwe.
Download the Salt Media app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.